The video call. They finally managed a video call. Firas's eyes lit up when he saw his father's face. "Baba, are you really there?" he shouted, pressing his cheek to the tablet screen. Leila smiled for the first time in days. But after the call ended, Firas burst into tears. That wasn't real. He's not here. The moment of joy turned into a storm of hurt. Small victories. Leila cooked Firas's favorite meal, grilled chicken and rice with yogurt and cucumbers. "Smells like home," she said playfully. Firas hesitated, then took a bite. "This is like what Baba makes," he said softly, chewing slowly. Leila turned away so he wouldn't see the tears forming. A single bite was a silent victory. The question, will Baba ever come back? Firas asked as they played with building blocks. Leila paused, her heart clenched. She smiled gently and said, "Of course, sweetie. He's working to help us. Every night he dreams of you." Firas nodded quietly, placing a block on the tower. It was wobbly but still standing like them. The meltdown. One rainy afternoon, Firas tore a photo off the fridge and ripped it in two. "It doesn't love us anymore," he cried. Leila grabbed the torn pieces and hugged her son tightly. "He loves us so much he went far away to take care of us," she said softly. Firas's body shook against her chest. She cried too, but silently. Strength in tears. When the house was finally quiet, Leila sat in the bathroom and let herself fall apart. Her hands trembled, her breathing hitched. She cried not out of weakness, but out of strength drained by endless patience. She washed her face, looked in the mirror, and said, "Tomorrow, I try again." Story time. That night, she created a new bedtime story about a lion cub who missed his father, but learned to roar a little louder each day. Firas's eyes widened. "Is the cub brave like me?" She smiled, even braver. From then on, he asked for a lion story every night. It became their ritual, their quiet healing. A day at the park. At the park, Firas saw other kids riding bikes with their dads. He sat alone on the bench. Leila stood up and said, "Race you to the tree." They ran, laughing. She chased him around like she was 10 years younger. When he smiled, she caught a glimpse of the light returning to his face.